Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. What if I tell you you can expand a plus b to the 10th power in just seconds without multiplying it again and again? Sounds impossible? It's not. Let me show you a powerful shortcut called the Binomial Theorem. What is the Binomial Theorem? The Binomial Theorem helps us expand expressions of the form a plus b to the nth power. Instead of multiplying a plus b whole power n again and again, we use a pattern to get the answer quickly. For example, a plus b to the 0 power equals 1, a plus b to the first power equals a plus b to the second power equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, a plus b to the third power equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Key point number 1, number of terms. If the power is n, then number of terms equals n plus 1. Examples: a plus b squared equals 3 terms, a plus b to the third power equals 4 terms, a plus b to the fourth power equals 5 terms, a plus b to the 10th power equals 11 terms. Key point number 2, coefficients, Pascal's triangle. Now, the question is, where do the numbers like 1, 2, 1, or 1, 3, 3, 1 come from? They come from something called Pascal's triangle. It's a simple pattern. First and last number is always 1. Every middle number is the sum of the two numbers above it. Key point number 3, powers of a and b. In every expansion, changes like this. Power of a decreases, power of b increases. Example: a plus b to the fourth power equals a to the fourth plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab to the third power plus b to the fourth power. Powers: a, 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 to 0, b, 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Quick method, step by step. To expand a plus b to the nth power, take coefficients from Pascal's triangle, start power of a from n to 0, start power of b from 0 to n, combine all terms, and a plus b to the nth power. And let's summarize this. Target: number of terms equals n plus 1, coefficients equals Pascal's triangle, power of a decreases, power of b increases.